Americ. Today I want to introduce the maintenance of our purifiers. As you can see, there is our filters for our purifiers. There is the best reward number 1 filter, the hollow filter, and there is for the filter with our best reward number 7 and number 8, the big round hollow filters. As you can see, the filter's color is changing. There is a new filter, and there is the filter used for 6 months. So the recommended replacement of our filter is just 1 or twice a year. It's very affordable for our customers and competitive in the market. And there is the 3-in-1 stage filters from our for our purifiers, and it can really increase the air qualities up to 90% of the $1 use. So, if you guys have any questions and interest for our filters or our desk purifiers, just connect with us via Xiluo, a professional purifier supplier in America.